everyone, welcome back into another video. In last two videos we discuss about toolbar and bottom bar. In this video we are going to discuss about splash screen. Let's see what is a splash screen, and let me show you. This is my project where I implemented splash screen. So yeah, so this thing that takes up the control in the start and then moves away is the splash screen. Let's see how to build it. I'm just closing this project and I hope I've opened my another project. This is the project we did in last class. I'm gonna make here only the splash screen. So what to do is just go to this and create a new activity. So how to create a new activity? Go here, gallery. We need to create a empty views activity. Press next. Instead of naming it name in activity 2, we will name it splash activity splash splash.kd. Okay, I just didn't make it a cool name. I just want to name it splash activity. Okay, no problem. We must have got the activity splash resource file. In this file what you need to do is we need to make a image view, we can do, or we can make a text view. So what I did was, for making Spotify thing, I just gave it a background of green. You can also make a background green by like hashtag 90 EE 90. Maybe it's green. Yeah, it's kind of green. I can't make it the exact because I don't remember the color code. You can search it on Google. Let's give it a text view. Let's say text view. Let's say wrap content. We have to make this okay, and we can give it ID. I don't think it's required, but let's give it txt splash. We can give it, I know we are not gonna use it anyways. We are using constraint layout, so what we can do is start to start off, parent, end to end of parent, top to top of parent, bottom to bottom of parent. What this does is that it constrains the text from all the sides, so it's in the middle right now. So let's give it some text as well so that we can see what is the text. Here we can say Spotify. So this, you can see, we can actually make it bigger by saying we can text size in the SP like 20 SP. No, 50 SP we can say. Okay, it's perfect. 50 SP is fine over here. Now we can basically make it bold. So let's say text style should be bold. I think it would look more cooler if I just make it capital Spotify. Yeah, so Spotify is this. So now this will be our splash screen. So how do we make it? So first, before doing this, we need to go to a KD file. And now what to do here? So for making splash screen, we use intent and a handler function. Handler function we call it. Then we say post delayed. Okay, for this we need to just make it available to us. So let's say handler, let's say this, then alt enter, it's not coming. Okay, no problem. Then post yeah, so after this you need to select actually the OS one, I think. Then we need to do this, then we need to do post delayed. Here we need to make it something like this. We need to pass, I think, over here, this is the number in millisecond, so it's like 2000, then it's 2 second, I guess. Yeah, here we need to create an intent, so I'll create an intent equal to val intent. So here we just need to create a new intent, and we will then pass that intent to start another activity. This is the basic flow that we are gonna make it. So let's say how to create intent. We just need to pass intent, then in intent we have to pass a reference, that is this, and over here we need to pass what reference we are taking. So this is main activity. I think we need to add this stuff, class.java as well. Yeah, this is how we create an intent. So this is something like, after a while what will happen is intent will make it transfer to the main activity.java, which is this main activity. Now what how it will happen, we will have to call a function called start activity. So what will start activity do is, in this we'll pass the intent, and this would make it move to the intent. Where's the intent? It says main activity, or here we defined it. And then what we can do is we can just say finish. So this will end up this activity. Okay, before going ahead, what we are missing out is that our starting screen is not splash.kt. Our starting screen is main activity.kt. So it won't be possible for splash.kt to run. So for this we can actually change our start activity from a manifest. Go to manifest file, go to android.manifest. Here you can see we have two activities. What I will do, I will just first make it something like this. Yep, so now we have similar looking activity. You will just take this thing, cut, and then paste it over here. So this is done, and you need to make it true. This is mandatory. You can make this one false. So what I did is I just make this as our starting activity. Wherever this thing is written and true is done, the launcher activity is that only. So our splash activity is now launcher activity. Let me run the application and see what is happening. Let's see. I think I need to pause the video because both the things can't be done at once. Yeah, it's done. You can see it's opening again. It says Spotify and it opens. So let me show it to you again how it works. Let's close these. What is the name? Our application name is bottom back like this. This says Spotify, and then this opens our bottom activity. So yeah, that's it for the video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll just upload new videos according to our syllabus. So yeah, thank you for watching.